This week on Entertainment Recap, Flipper Mafia has a diploma and a bachelor's degree. Jamaican YouTube and dancehall artist Incline mourns the death of his mother. Is Shenseea okay? These and lots more. I'm your host, Alicia. Let's get into it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Flipper Mafia, I gotta teach you these. Hey, don't play with Flipper thing, you know. On a serious note, Flipper Mafia got his bachelor's degree in education 2 years after finishing his high school diploma while serving a 25 years prison sentence. That's what you call now waste no time. Flipper Mafia, whose given name is Andrew Davis, was found guilty on first-degree distribution of cocaine, second-degree money laundering, and second-degree conspiracy in the Camden Superior Court in New Jersey, and was also fined US $250,000 for anti-money laundering profiteering. Flipper has been serving 25 years in prison since June 2016. Flipper, congrats! And it's always a proud moment to see people elevate themselves. If you watched the show about 2 weeks ago, you will then know how excited I was about Ed Sheeran knowing Ishana's song Equal Rights. Shape of You remix.
I just got started. What you think one round can do? Bumper to your forehead. Me say equal rights and justice.
How can you sing to it? Because I've listened to it so many times.
Well, everything comes together in due course, and Ishana is set to make music with Ed Sheeran. Even though she wanted to surprise us, Ed Sheeran spilled the tea with a slip of the tongue in a recent interview. Don't believe me? You know I always have the receipts. Take a look.
Well, Ishana's got me singing patois with her.
Is it, yeah?
Because I was like, I don't know, and she was like, trust me, Kingston slang. And so she's got me, yeah, she's got me singing. I'm actually going to record my bits after this. That's what they're hurrying me up for. I've got to go.
Death isn't a story I like to carry because entertainment is not a sad thing, but with respect for each and every one in the industry, we could not have left this one behind without sending condolences to his family. YouTuber and upcoming dancehall artist Incline lost his mom on Friday, November 5th, when she was kidnapped and murdered in Manchester. One of his last memories of his mother was captured in a video he shared on his YouTube page.
I know that he's prank.
Yeah. You see me? So you don't know again, people. Prank God, strike again. So until next time.
Yeah, man,
people.
You don't laugh every time I have to check your feed.
People.
Oh,
People.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Yeah.
Watch out, people. Oh, the reunite. Oh, so sad.
Condolences to you, your family, and friends from the PBCJ family. An image with a hospital wrist tag on a hand deemed as Shenseea was posted on Wednesday, November 10th at approximately 7:04 p.m. on Shenseea's Instagram page. Along with the image came a caption. Unfortunately, I will not be attending all 4 events this weekend. To my Shenyings and promoters, please understand as my health is truly at risk. I'll be out for a while. Shenseea was set to perform on the Revolt Summit in Atlanta on November 11th through to the 13th. In the middle of her preparation, she withdrew herself from the event due to health concerns. Shenseea girlie, get well soon, mama.
See you at the party. Get up, stand up and run the way you put it on me body. Oh, me feel it alone, now you alone get me so naughty. You make me fall in love, me shoulda listen.
The scoop of the day, the scoop of the day, the scoop of the day, the scoop of the day. Wanna know the scoop of the day? So the scoop of the day is that Oscar-winning actor Leonardo DiCaprio act as Jonestown cult leader Jim Jones in an original biopic. Let me drop some knowledge. Jim Jones was a political activist, preacher, cult leader, and an American mass murderer, amongst other things. Jones created the organization called the People's Temple after declaring himself God. In 1974, he moved to Guyana and created a community called Jonestown, where he convinced his followers to live there with him, claiming that he was developing a socialist paradise free from U.S. oppression. After an investigation into accusations of abuse stemming from the U.S., Jones ordered a mass murder, killing 918 members of the community in an act that entailed drinking flavor aid laced with cyanide. Imagine 304 were children. He later committed suicide by gun. MGM acquired the rights to develop the film, and none other than Scott Rosenberg, who wrote Jumanji Next Level, will be the executive producer. So, a piece of the biopic must shoot in a Guyana, right? Me Christina, I'm excited about this one though. This week's new music comes with a little twist, with a little entertainment recap, exclusive interview from Mr. Lex. Yes. It's not one, but two new songs. Hey, Mr. Lex, thanks so much for joining us. So you dropped two new songs recently. Tell us about them.
Hey, what up, pretty girl? Yes, I'm gonna drop two new tunes. One named WhatsApp Number featuring Soundboy, a new artist. I don't know what artists I said with everyone. And the other one named Couldn't You, produced by MBR, Mineral Boss Records. That's gonna be crazy. Two hot girl songs, ready for the streets. Never tell you.
Good stuff. What do you think has kept you so fresh for so many years?
I would say, first of all, I'm gonna have a bit of bad mind in me. But I don't know, I guess it's my mind, because you're as young as you feel, you know. I don't feel like I'm that old, so I think it's my personality, you know, my sense of humor, just my whole everyday spirit is young, so I don't know. And like I said, you know, I just love, and you know, I said, just live and love, isn't it?
Nice. Who worked with you on these tracks, and are there any inspirations?
Well, WhatsApp Number, we work with Static and Johnny Blaze. And the inspiration behind that is that, you know, we were on the Nicky Z live show, and young Soundboy forward on the show, and you know, Nicky Z run a rhythm, and you know, Soundboy start singing and me start DJ, and you know, the next thing we know, I want bad song, so that's how WhatsApp Number came about. And Couldn't You, that was Mineral Boss Lady. That was fair idea. That was fair idea, so I would say it was her inspiration. I just put it together and make it a reality.
Recently, you got the tape. What was that like, and how did you feel when your supporters started to share your posts?
Wow, that situation, it was just like, what is that episode of Locked Up Abroad? But no, really, I landed to come in the airport in Panama, you know, to shoot a video for Back It Up, which is produced by Wyrush, and you know, they have their rights to turn back anybody with them want to turn back. So unfortunately, I guess me and like about 20 other Jamaicans were turned back at the airport, and you know, of course they held on to me in the airport for like 3 days and stuff. So you know, the whole thing that I had to tweet Abzi and Kamina and all of that. And I'm just grateful that, you know, they retweet my tweets, man. I love the fans, man, and I felt good. It's like, you know, at least I know I got some support, you know, that's it.
Lastly, what's next for Mr. Lex? Are there any music videos coming in the mix?
I'm just gonna go finish my video, Back It Up, for the girl, and I don't want to shoot a Panama, but I never get a chance. So, yeah, so the next thing is just, you know, schedule out a date and shoot my video here in Jamaica. I want to drop one more album. You know, I'll probably call it quits after that. I don't know, maybe. And I also want to make the transition into TV, because, you know, I'm working on my own show, the Mr. Lex live show, and that's gonna be a lot of fun. So I'm looking forward to that. But see you guys in the future.
Thanks, Mr. Lex, for joining us. That was indeed an entertainment recap exclusive. Adding to this week's new music is Lali featuring Goal Up with Bird. You don't know me, you don't know me as a Lego the Bird. TJ with Escobar and Cuz with Fatty Bones. Fatty Bones. Yes, that's this week's new music.
Monster of a dance, everybody learning. Hey, Lego the bird, 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 Lego the bird. Hey, Lego the bird. Hey, watch your junk girl, and a eagle. Catch your junk girl, and a eagle. Catch your junk girl, and a eagle. Catch it. Hey, get a youth, go and make it loud. Anytime you are rising, I like them. Say hype, and I want to see you make it out. One yam fish and breadfruit. Me no want no 21 guns alone. 20 billion me drugs. Stuck me as the coffee bang bug. Why? Bad mind no move. Fatty no. Don't do it. Oh, you fetch I cup my jaw. Fatty no. Wicked. I whip and run off board. Fatty, you know, say you a junker. Mama, I still love you. Me rock your body like any sketcher. Your body soft like it a Play-Doh. Fatty bunks, do it. Fatty bunks.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to this trainee. Happy birthday to you. This week's birthday shout out goes to Trinidadian musician, singer, and songwriter Destra. Have a happy birthday and continue to do great work and just big up you. And on that note, thanks for watching PBCJ's Entertainment Recap. I'm your girl, Alicia. Follow us on all socials at PBC Jamaica. Thanks to Ear Candy Collection for my earrings every week. Remember to follow them at the Ear Candy Collection on all social media platforms. And you know the regular. Mega always and forever. Big up you.